guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in today's video I have an updated what's in my phone, and I'm really excited because I love watching these and I know you guys love them too. I want to share with you guys what I have in my phone. Currently, as you guys can see, this is my new phone case. This is a hot pink phone case with a concha. This is like a bread from like a Mexican bread, and it's like pink as well. That's my phone grip, so that's what I currently am rocking, and I will be showing you guys all the applications that I have and how I set up my phone. So stay tuned and let's just get this video started. This is my phone when you open it up right now. I do have the Samsung Galaxy S8, and this is the phone theme that I currently have. So pretty much this is my only page. I don't have any other page. I like to keep it organized, so I really enjoy just having one page of applications and leaving everything else kind of like clean and empty. So this is how my home screen looks like. I just have camera, gallery, the internet, my Bank of America app, and I also have notes, which I use all the time. I also have a Google folder. This one is convenient because it has like Gmail, maps, and like everything else that you see here, so I like that. I also have my Yahoo email. I have calendar. I have Yelp because I Yelp all the time, so I like to keep this one here on my main screen. I also have Snapchat, Spotify, gotta have that music, and I also have Instagram, Instasize, which I use to kind of just decorate my pictures that I post. I also have YouTube, Facebook, and settings. So that is pretty much all that I have on this main screen. I also have like the weather at the top right there, and then at the bottom I have my just phone, contacts, and messages. So that is how it looks like. So these are the main ones that I always use, and then I just swipe up, and here are the rest of my applications that I don't use fairly often but I still use. So I have like calculator, I have clock up here. These are just kind of the main ones that I also use, so that's why I keep them over here. And then over here I have everything categorized in folders. I do enjoy just having everything organized, like I said, so that's why I decided to make folders for everything rather than just having them like this, like layout. So this makes it so much easier. So I did title each of them what they contain. So this is my Google folder. This is my Samsung folder, T-Mobile, social media, life, shopping, music, and picture editing. So I will go through everything. So this one is just like the main applications of Google. As you guys could see, these are just like basic ones like Play Store, Google Chrome, all of those. And then I have Samsung. So these are also used a lot because I use Galaxy themes for my Samsung themes for my phone, so I use that all the time, and that's how it looks. And then I have my T-Mobile app. Then I have my T-Mobile folder, which contains all my applications of T-Mobile, including T-Mobile Tuesday, which I downloaded and I use. They usually have like free Dunkin' Donut perks, so I like that. Then people ask me about these, so I just kind of name it like that, and then I also add like emojis. So I'll just add like a cute emoji like right next to it. This one has like the pink heart. So that's how I do that. You can change it if however you want it. And then over here I have my social media. So for my social media I have Facebook, Duo, Messenger, Instagram, Pinterest. I love Pinterest. Snapchat, Twitter, and Influencer. If you guys don't know, you guys should check out Influencer. It's really cool. It's just pretty much like a place where you guys could check out reviews of products. And I also have my own right here. I think it's really cool. You get badges, you get boxes with like free products, so I really love that. It's a good app to have. I also have Life. So for Life, I have this journal application, which I really enjoy. It's like a journal entry plus like a quote. So you guys could write like an online journal right there. I also have Tier Disneyland app, which I used to use all the time with my Disney Pass, but I no longer have Disney passes, so that's kind of sad. I also have Lyft. I like Lyft better than Uber, so I have this just in case. I also have this Careers because I was looking for a job. I should probably delete that because I have a new job right now. I also have Charades because this is so much fun, so I have that, and this is like a random app that I have too, but I do go to Mexico often, so this is a very convenient app to have. And then I have shopping. So shopping is kind of like the biggest one here. So I have quite a few applications. So I do keep my Bank of America app. I do have this thing called Receipt Hog. And pretty much you earn little coins and you could pretty much get money. So I'll get like $5 every couple months, and all by scanning and taking pictures of my receipts and uploading them. It's so easy, so convenient, so like cool because you could get like $5 just for doing nothing. I have Groupon because it's just as great as Yelp. You always get like coupons and like discount codes for everything. I have 5 Miles and OfferUp because I do sell my stuff often that I don't use anymore, so I use those applications. I have Credit Karma, gotta check that credit score all the time. I have Bath and Body Works app, my Pink app. I also have this one. This is an Atom app and it's for like movie tickets. I have Yelp and I have Grubhub, which I haven't used yet. And I have Grubhub as well. You know, girls gotta eat. Then I have music. For music, I just have Shazam. You know, whenever I need to know a song. I have Netflix and Spotify. And I also have TikTok. So, oh, and this is my TV Chromecast. So whenever I want to cast like music or like movies, I use that. And I could do it straight from my phone. I also have picture editing. So I have Remove Unwanted. So this is the Remove Unwanted Objects application. So pretty much like, let's say somebody's like walking behind in a picture that you're taking, which is so annoying. You can definitely just use this application and crop them out. I also have InstaSize. Like I said, I really like that. I have a Zedge, which is more of a like application for your phone where you guys could get ringtones and also get wallpapers and cute pictures for your phone. I also have the glitter and glitter free application. This is for my phone whenever I want to add like whenever I want to like make it super cute and add glitter to my wallpaper pictures, I'll use that. I also have Lightroom CC, which is so convenient because it makes your pictures really cute and it just has like nice presets. So these are all of my folders. I don't have many applications, just the ones that I really use and I use all the time, and I think that's pretty much it. So those are all my favorite applications and all that I have on my phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed, liked, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!